Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel Alevelcams. In this lecture we are given a cubic polynomial in term of p, q and r, where p, q, r are the integers, has roots alpha, beta and gamma. This equation has three roots. The relation between the root is given as this. We have to find the value of p and q. Since p is defined as and alpha plus beta plus gamma is 15 with the minus. For the q is written as product of two roots. Okay, and it is we have to find. So student, we know that is written as rewrite this equation, you will get minus 2 times, what is the value of this one? 15. 15 square 225 and product of two roots is, this is q, this is q. So the value of this square is 83. So you can write 2q 225 83, which is 142, and q is 71. So it means you have determined the value of p and q. So these requirements are complete. P is minus 15, q is 71. We are given that alpha beta and alpha gamma is 36. Okay, but we know it's 71, its value is 36, so beta gamma is 71, 71 minus 36 is 35, beta gamma is this one. Students, we know that R is defined as the product of all roots with the negative. We have beta gamma, so we need the value of alpha. So we define first alpha and after that substitute here, you will get the value of R. So to find the value of alpha, we can rewrite this equation. Take alpha common, beta plus gamma is 36. You can rewrite this plus alpha. This is alpha square you added, so you have to subtract alpha square. The value of this is 15. This is minus alpha square, 15 alpha minus 36, and rewrite this equation. You have 36, so it means 12 and 3 are the factor for this. So you can write imply alpha is 3 and 12. You have two possible value of alpha where these alpha, beta and gamma roots are real values. So student, for alpha equal to 3, R equal minus 3 times 35, which is minus 105. So the value of R is 105. And if we choose another value of alpha 12, so you can write R equal to minus 12, and what is the value of gamma beta, which is 35? You have minus 420 R. This is your answer. So student, I hope so you have enjoyed this lecture, but if you have any problem or hesitation, you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah Hafiz.